Wildlife photography, one of the most challenging yet rewarding careers. Photographers spend years perfecting their craft, traveling to remote locations, waiting for the perfect shot. But what if I told you AI can now do it in seconds, and the results? Almost indistinguishable from reality. Yes, artificial intelligence has officially entered the world of wildlife photography. AI-generated images of animals are now so realistic that even professionals are getting fooled. High-resolution, lifelike details, perfect lighting, created entirely by algorithms. And this isn't just experimental technology. Big companies are already using AI-generated nature photography for advertisements, stock images, and even magazines. Why hire a photographer when AI can generate a tiger in the wild or a rare bird mid-flight at a fraction of the cost? Take a look at these images. Would you believe that not a single one of them is real? These were created by AI, no camera involved. This raises a serious question. What happens to wildlife photographers? If AI can generate stunning images without the need for travel, patience, or expensive gear, is this career in danger? But here's the twist. AI isn't just a threat, it can also be a tool. Many photographers are now using AI to enhance their work, restore old wildlife photos, or create concept art before heading out into the field. Instead of replacing photographers, AI could actually make their jobs easier, allowing them to focus on storytelling rather than just capturing the perfect shot. So, is wildlife photography dying, or is it evolving? Will AI destroy this art form, or will photographers adapt and use it to their advantage? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more AI versus human comparisons, make sure to subscribe.